Hi and welcome to this Manychat tutorial. In this particular tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to grow your audience on your own platform using traffic from social media. All right, so it's important that you start growing or you start thinking about growing your audience outside of social media, because any social media platform can go down at any time. You can lose your account at any time. And some people say, oh, I have 1 million followers, and I say, how many are on your mailing list? And they're like, not up to 200. So if anything happens to your account, the 1 million people are gone. So one key way you can do this, getting them in a platform you own, like your mailing list, is through the use of freebies. So let's dive into Manychat, and I'll be teaching you how to build your first very simple templated automation using Manychat. Let's go. This is how we set up that automation I was talking about. Now, before we do anything, I need you to come down to your settings. In this place where it has channels, I want you to add your Instagram, and all you have to do is just come into these channels, click in there, and you'll be able to just connect your Instagram. It's very straight to the point. Open your Instagram on your laptop, open Manychat on your laptop, and the connection is very easy to make. Okay, so we're going to go to automations. So we're here in automations, and I want you to just come down here to auto reply to comments in the DM. Please do not use auto send links in the DM. All right, remember what we're trying to do here. We're trying to build an audience on a platform we own. Okay, so the platform you own would include platforms like your mailing list, your contact list, data from your websites, social media followers, and not platforms you own. Okay, so you're going to click on this. You're going to set up this template right now. So give it a minute. You can see the template is right here for you with instructions on what you should do. By the way, I just need to click on when someone comments. So what happens when someone comments on your post? Keep editing. I'm on the pro plan, so I can choose all, but if you're not on the pro plan, you can choose the exact post you want. So you can choose any of your posts. These are like my last few posts. I'm going to select all because I intend to use this going forward. So the keyword, that keyword is the word, when people say, oh, comment this and I'll send you this video. I literally told you to comment many, and I'm going to send you this video. So that's what the keyword is. So take out this keyword, and I'm going to type in many here. It doesn't matter if it's uppercase or lowercase, but there's also something I do. I am going to also type it many in this way. Why? I like to think about it that my audience can also be people who are from non-English speaking countries. So how can they type many? This is the closest thing, right? Then you can exclude some keywords. Let's say that you are receiving some very annoying comments, people saying, send this to me, I love you, stuff like that. So you can just come in here and put in anything that says love, right? Don't send it to them. Now, this is what happens when 1,000 people comment that keyword. You want this automation to be doing the work. You don't want to be the one going to be doing that work for this automation. Okay, so very importantly, make sure that this is set up. I take out all of these emojis because that's not how I would normally type, and that you can add more replies if you want. I would say 3, it's fine, and you save that. All right, so that is done and it's out of the way. You can also delete this. I like to delete it because I like a clean workspace. I like to also delete this, but let me read the instruction for you. See, this is the first message a follower sees in their DM. So it says personalize this, so they are excited to click on the next steps. We can use a button here. I'm not using a button, I'm using the send message to Instagram. And the reason why I am doing this is because sometimes AI or some platforms will start looking at or treating your account like a bot account. If you automate in a way that you're the only person speaking to the people that you're asking to take something from you, right? So I always want to get responses. Do you understand? So I'm just going to come in here and make them respond. So I'm gonna say hello, right? I see you are here for my Manychat setup video, correct? Now that correct is trying to elicit a response. And I'm going to remove all of this and just say, yes, I am. Okay. Now, I can also do this. Tap the link below if you are. If you are. Okay. So yes, I am. I'm not using a button, and don't worry yourself. It's not going to show. Just looking at what you have here. And I can delete this message. Okay. So this is where I'm going to deliver what they came for. Okay. Oh, Nancy, why did you not put it here? Because you want them to send you that message. You want them to tap this and it's going to come back as a message. And you're going to see the preview in just a minute. All right. So tap below to check them out. This is not how I talk. So be sure that you're setting up, or whoever is setting up this for you is setting it up in a humanized way. Okay. So it doesn't look so AI-ish and people just drop off that funnel. All right. So this is what I'm going to say here. Great. Click on the link below to grab it. Okay, so click on the link below. Is click here. This is the button now, and I'm just going to leave click here. I want to make this capital. Yeah, this is where I'm going to put the form. So this is a form on my Flowdesk account, and of course, you know, my Flowdesk is connected here. And if I want to start an email sequence, I'm going to start that already. But this form already has an email sequence attached to it, so I add that form in there. I'm not going to. Okay, so I'm done with that phase, and then I'm coming back here. Okay, this wait 60 seconds. You can actually make it less, 30, whatever you want. I like the 60 seconds. 60 seconds is enough time for somebody to put their name and email on a form. And I'm going to just, did you have any questions about the new drop? I'm here to help. No, I'm changing this. Remember, I'm humanizing it. I'm talking about my own stuff. So this is what I'm going to ask. Hi. I hope you were able to access the video. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, so if you sent a video, if they fill the form, if they put in their details to download the freebie, whatever it is that you did, you got their details. If they fill the form, it opens up the whatever, however you did it. So that's it. And it's done. Okay, so we're not putting any buttons anymore. This is just a very simple 3-step process, and I wanted it to be that way. Now let's preview this and be sure that it's working. Okay, so what we're going to do is take this out. We're going to preview this inside of Manychat. So hello, I see you are here from my Manychat setup video, correct? Tap the link below if you are. I tap the link below. You see it returns a message. Yes, it's going to look like this sends me a message. I say great, click on the link below to grab it. Then click here, and automatically it just opens up that link. Okay, so this is how this works. The moment they click it, they put in their details, and I am building my audience outside of social media. All right, there you have it. So that was very simple, wasn't it? All right, so I want you to go ahead, use that template, create your triggers and automate the delivery of your freebie. Remember to turn on the comments so that you're not manually responding to everybody who comments that trigger word. I will see you in the very next one. Bye for now.